Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Languages with Halit Ümit YouTube channel. Today we will start new series. In this series we will learn German language. If you are ready, let's get started with our first topic. Our first topic is die Grußformeln und die Abscheidsformeln. Let's look at them. Die Grußformeln. Greeting patterns. There are a lot of ways to say hello in German. These are hallo, hey, hi, na. It means hello. Usually, we use these words to speak with our family, relatives, or friends. Apart from these, there are regional greeting patterns to say hello in German. These are Servus, it means hello. It is used in the southern regions of Germany. Moin or Moin Moin, it means hello. It is used in the northern regions of Germany and in Hamburg. Grüß Gott, it means hello. It is used in the southern regions of Germany and in Austria. Let's repeat. Hallo, hallo, hey, hey, hi, hi, na, na, servus, servus, moin, moin, grüß Gott, grüß Gott. Let's continue. There are also ways of greeting according to the time of the day. These are Guten Morgen. It means good morning. We use this word from 6 to 12 o'clock. Guten Tag. It means good afternoon. We use this word from 12 to 18 o'clock. It is also used during the all day and more formal. Guten Abend. It means good evening. We use this word from 18 to 22 o'clock. Let's repeat. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Let's continue. Die Abscheidsformeln. Goodbye patterns. German goodbye patterns are Auf Wiedersehen or Wiedersehen. It means goodbye or see you soon. It's official. Auf Wiederhören or Wiederhören. It means goodbye or see you soon. We use this word when we speak on the phone. Mach's gut or pass auf die auf. It means take care. Bis morgen. It means see you tomorrow. Bis später. See you later. Bis bald. See you later. Bis gleich. See you later. There is no difference between bis später, bis bald, and bis gleich. You can use whatever you want. Let's repeat. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. 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 Auf Wiederhören. Auf Wiederhören. 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 Mach's gut. Mach's gut. Pass auf die auf. Pass auf die auf. Bis morgen. Bis morgen. Bis später. Bis später. Bis bald. Bis bald. Bis gleich. Bis gleich. Let's continue. Bis zum nächsten Mal. It means see you again. Bis dann. It means see you soon or see you later. Gute Nacht. It means good night. Tschüss or ciao. It means see you or bye bye. We use this pattern when we're talking to people with whom we are intimate. Let's repeat. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Bis dann. Bis dann. Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. Tschüss. Tschüss. Ciao. Ciao. Thank you for joining today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share the video. See you soon. Tschüss.